Hey guys, my name is Angelica Mack. I've been with LivBay Lash for 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lash and beauty, and if you haven't already, click subscribe below so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about lash mapping. First thing, what is lash mapping? Lash mapping is when you literally map out the set that you're gonna do on their iPad. You write in a marker or a pencil or a pen, whatever you wanna use, and you're gonna write on their iPad the different numbers, the lengths that you're gonna be using across their eyelid, starting from the inner corner to the outer corners. For example, if you're gonna do an open eye, you're gonna make sure that you put all the numbers or the lengths that you want to use on her iPad that's gonna replicate an open eye. For example, the longest would be in the middle, the shorter on the inner and outer corners. So you would start with 9 on the outer corners, 9, 10s, 11, 12s, 13s, let's say 14s are gonna go in the middle. You would write all those numbers on the iPad that is on your client. Why do we lash map? What is the point of it? The reason we lash map is to try to create a symmetrical look for both eyes, so both eyes are even. You also wanna do it to make it a lot easier for you. It's very easy to forget where you're putting what length and what curl or what spike, especially if you're doing a wispy look. It's very easy to forget what exact length you're putting where, what part of the eye. The lash mapping makes it extremely easy to remember, and it gives you a little map to follow. Is lash mapping absolutely necessary? Is it something that you should learn? I don't believe it's necessary, but it's definitely something you want to learn. I think in the beginning as a lash artist, I think it's definitely beneficial to map out your lash sets. You're just beginning, you're not really sure where to put what. I definitely think as a beginner lash artist, you want to map out, but as you become more experienced, it's not necessary to map out your lashes. You get the hang of where to put what, you remember what length you're gonna put in one area. One thing to remember is that lash mapping is not universal. You cannot take it from client to client. Every client has a different eye shape. Every client has different needs. Every client has a different look that they want to achieve. So you want to make sure that you customize this lash map per client. There's a lot of different ways that you can lash map and a lot of different opinions on it. But one thing I want you to remember when you are lash mapping is that you can also, while you're lash mapping, you can always use a mega mirror along with the lash mapping to look at your lashes to see how your set is coming along. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you gained some value from this. Question for you, do you lash map, and what kind of lash maps do you use? Go ahead and put the answer in the comments below. If you've ever been interested in becoming a trained lash artist, go to livbaylashclass.com to see if we'll be at a city near you.